When I first started painting as a thank you to my subscribers, I was in search of a way I could convey to you how very meaningful your support was to me. Feeling the value was in each brushstroke and the time spent to create a piece of art. It was as if I was giving away a piece of me. Later I realized there just wasn't enough time to paint for each person who wished to obtain one. I never knew those paintings would lead me to my dream of having my own line of stationery. With each painting being featured in an inspired homemaking film, I now hope to convey my gratitude with love through each handwritten and sealed thank you note, because these videos were made possible by you. A heartfelt thank you is extended to each patron and those who have purchased from the Inspired by Nikki store. May this stationery, which is still very much a part of me, bring a smile to your face, inspiring you to pick up your pen and help you make the everyday beautiful for yourself and someone else. Thank you.